Class we have discussed about antibiotics. So now we are going to discuss about vaccines. So before discussing about vaccines, first we have to know what are antibodies. Antibodies is a protein like substance which is present in our body. Our immunity system is going to produce these antibodies to fight against the harmful microorganisms. So, antibodies are the protein substance which are present in our body, and these antibodies are produced by our immunity system. Why? To fight against harmful substances. If you see here, actually, what is a vaccine? Why vaccines are given? Vaccine is nothing but they are going to collect a weak or dead disease causing microorganism. Doctors and scientists, they are going to collect weak or dead disease causing microorganism, and they inject this weak or dead disease causing microorganism into our body. So once if they inject these disease causing microorganism which is weak or dead, once if it is injected into our body is going to produce antibodies. Our body is going to produce antibodies to fight against that disease causing microorganism. So antibodies fight against microorganisms. Not only fighting, it not only fights but also remembers the structure of that disease causing microorganism. So actually this is a process what is going to happen in vaccination. Vaccine is nothing but a weak or dead, they make the disease causing microorganism as weak or dead, and they inject in the form of vaccine. Once it is injected into our body, antibodies are going to be produced by our body. Once antibodies are produced means these antibodies are going to fight against the microorganism. Not only fights, it also remembers the structure of microorganism. So maybe after 2 or 3 years or after certain time period, if real microorganism enters the body, that means if active microorganism which is very active or the real like active microorganism, if it enters into our body produces antibodies within no time. In the first case, when vaccine is given, it takes time to produce antibodies, but here it does not take that much time. Immediately it is going to release antibodies inside our body. Once if antibodies already it remembered the structure of the microorganism when vaccine is given, so immediately antibodies are going to react and it is going to fight against this disease causing microorganism, then it kills the disease causing microorganism. So this is about the vaccine. And if you want to know about our immune system, I'll give you a small example. Like, you all know we have a colony. So colony is nothing but you can consider it as our body, and in the colony we will be having police station PS, that is nothing but it's like immune system in our body. It's like immune system in our body, and we have in police station we have police. So these are antibodies in our body. So, antibodies are like policemen. Whenever thieves enters, police is going to catch the thief. In the same way, police is going to catch or kill the thieves. In the same way, our antibodies also. If any unwanted substance or if any harmful substance enter into our body, these antibodies are going to kill that harmful microorganisms. So, nowadays we got many vaccines. Many vaccines are there, vaccines are there for typhoid, tuberculosis, smallpox, chickenpox, measles, So everyone might have taken polio vaccine. So every one of us since childhood we have taken the vaccination. So, and one more thing, here you have to remember about few scientists who has discovered few vaccines. I'm going to repeat it now, but again I'm going to give you the full detail scientist who discovered vaccines in our last session of this lesson. So for now, smallpox vaccine was discovered by Edward Jenner and polio vaccine was discovered by Jonas Salk. Oral polio vaccine was discovered by Albert Sabin. Oral polio vaccine is nothing but when Jonas Salk discovered polio vaccine, it was in the form of injections. Later on, Albert Sabin changed that into oral polio. Oral means they will be giving in the mouth. The polio drops will be given in the mouth. We all have taken oral polio vaccine. So this is about the scientists who have discovered different vaccines. In the next class, we are going to discuss about the soil fertility.